Are you curious about solving tech problems and helping others? You're in the right place. As an IT support specialist, you'll be the superhero behind the scenes, saving the day by fixing tech issues. Here's what you need to get started. First up, customer service skills. You'll need to communicate clearly and solve problems with a smile. Next, technical troubleshooting. Learn to diagnose and fix common hardware and software issues. Practice makes perfect. Then, operating systems. Get familiar with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Knowing the basics of each goes a long way. Don't forget help desk tools. Ticketing systems and remote support tools will be your best friends. Lastly, consider certifications like CompTIA A+. They validate your skills and make you stand out. With these foundational skills, you're well on your way to a rewarding career in IT support and help desk. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon you'll be an invaluable tech wizard. Stay curious, stay helpful, and good luck!